upload folder into this PowerBI. So I have opened the PowerBI desktop and I'm going to upload. So I'm going to the home tab. There are multiple ways that we can upload. So click on get data, and here click on more, and in the more option you will see multiple options to upload. One way to upload is through folder. Okay, so search for a folder, or you can also search in this way. So here you find a folder, so click on that and connect. Okay, it will look for folders. So okay, so folder path we have to provide, browse, and here we have I am having my folder inside my deepak, and inside the trainings and tutorials, design tech, here I am having sales data is my folder. Okay, so here while it is uploading, I'll show you what is folder contains. So this is my motorcycle studio raw data. See, here we have customer lookup, product lookup, subcategories, categories lookup, returns data. So sales data 2020, 2021, 2022 is a separated file. If we are going to upload this separated file, then it will be difficult for us to merge. Okay, merge inside one particular folder. Okay, so I'm having a sales data folder where I have kept all these 3-year data. Okay, let me show you how this will open. This will open in this way. So I will combine. I'll click on combine and transform. Okay, so without that it will be combined separately. Okay, I'll show you how it is loading like. Okay, see, it is having all the years data. So based on 200 rows, I'll do based on the entire data set. Okay, so already we saw how to upload comma separated values, and this is through folder. Okay, so I will click on OK. Okay, so this is the Power Query. So here this is the sales data file table which is combined. Okay, you can also click and see here. See, motorcycle studio sales data 2020, 2021, 2022. Okay, since all 3 are CSV files, we have put inside a separate folder in order to combine all these 3 files into a single table. Otherwise we have to do in merge queries. Merge queries is not the way of combining the tables column wise. Merge queries will be possible to add in the row wise. Sorry, here we have merged row wise, but in the merge queries we'll add in the column wise. Okay, so click on OK. Let me do check if everything is having 100, valid, no errors, no empty values. See, this is very clean and we don't have any duplicate values also. Okay, so let me go to the customer lookup now, and I will show you one more option to merge queries. Here I want to merge this prefix first name and last name, and I want to provide in a separate column. Okay, so I'll choose prefix first name last name. This is the order I want. Mr. John Yang, for example, or Mr. Eugene Huang, for example. Okay, let me click on the merge queries option. So merge queries will give you a pop-up. Okay, so current. Merge columns, sorry. Okay, I was looking for merge queries. That is not merge queries, merge columns. I want a space. Okay, so the column name I want to as full name. I click on OK. And see the new inserted merge column. Here also you can click twice and rename it. Okay, click here. So this is the inserted merge column. Okay, see, full name is Mr. Okay, this is for the entire data set. If you want to load based on the entire data set, here in the bottom you can see for the whole list of customer lookup. So this is how we can merge 3 columns, but here in the sales data we have merged, which means appended 2020, 2021 and 2022. Column wise we have seen how to add, row wise how to add also we have seen. So this is how we can do upload a folder and insert. Then we have to click on close and apply to save this to the PowerBI desktop. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.